Kit's crows.
Hey, so I got the day off. I'm just gonna go on a little walk and see all the birds. Maybe I'll see a kitty, who knows. Oh, okay, glasses on. That sprinkler's definitely broken. Surprised the manager hasn't done anything yet. Surely someone's noticed. It just goes on all day. Oh, there's a kitty. I knew I heard something. Hey, kitty. It's a skittish one. I won't bother it. Huh. I hear a bunch of crows somewhere in those trees. There's a magpie. So I'm gonna leave some treats. I'm sure someone will be by soon. A whole bunch. Yeah, there's a crow party going on over there. Oh, hey! I think it's the noise that bothered them. But they know there's food. Oh yeah, there we go. If someone comes down where I can see them, I'll drop some treats. I can only hear them. Where are you guys at? Oh, I see a couple of butts. Hey! There's one somewhere over here. I don't know if they can see me too well. Excuse me. So many of you. There you are. Well, I'm going to leave a treat just in case. There. I hope one of you gets it. There's one. I left treats over there. Hey. Alright, someone's gonna check it out. Have fun. Hey, there's Burrito. Hi, kitty. How you been? There's noisy stuff coming. I'm sorry. Someone's rolling their lawnmower around. How you doing? It's getting louder. Oh, I see. They're doing that one right over there. There's a happy kitty. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, I know, it sucks. Hey, bye-bye, kitty. Yeah, lawnmower right there. Kitty's not a fan. I'm not a fan either. I want to pet the kitty. Goes magpie. But I don't see my little birds. Hear the chickens. Yeah, I used to have a big gathering here. Where'd they all go? There. Bunch of food for them to find. Oh, here comes one. Did you see that? You know it's there because I'm here, huh? Go on. It's already there. Go get your treat. Yay. There we go. Ooh, there's a wasp. Whoa. Okay. It was checking me out, but it's gone now. So, we met a few friends already at least. Just gonna go to the end of this block and then loop back home. It's gonna get warm soon. It's already feeling warm. Screw just arrived. Hey, you. I was actually heading down to the starling. I was going to leave him a treat. There's a better spot over here. Let's go over here. Say hi to this guy. Ooh, there you are. Oh, the second one. Hey guys. There's there, there. Okay. Oh, here they all come. Some of my little guys. Look at all them waiting. Well, hopefully there'll be some left for you. Maybe I'll put a little second pile right over here. Just drop a few just around. Yeah, come on over. Alright. Everyone will get a chance now. fun, guys. Man, look at that bird party. Yay. So I'm walking by the Stan Bassett Youth Center. I'm taking a different way home. I'm going down the next block because there's a really loud lawnmower. Here's my favorite bit. Looks great when the light's on in the evening. And there's a little memorial plaque thing, or monument. It's very nice. This used to be a tiny little convenience store called Johnny's back in the mid 80s, and somewhere in the early 90s, I think. Oh, it was a cool place. Never got to hang out in it when it was a youth center, though. So we're just making our way back home. There's a hawk. Neat. Oh, I got the sun in my eye. I can't tell if I got it in frame. Oh, that's too bright to look at now. Just made a big shadow on the ground. Oop, I'm still zoomed in. And circling back, but oh boy, that's hard to look at. So I'm heading home now. We're not far. Okay, we're back home. Oh, hey, little bird. I'm gonna restock the food. Heard a couple of them up there. Oh, there's still food. So I'm gonna leave some more because it's the last for the day. There, so you got some more peanuts now. I see him right up there. Oh. There you are. And those crows are still going crazy in those trees. Big conversation. I hear chicks back there. So, well, we're going in for the day. There's birds everywhere. I hear magpies over there. Probably playing in my backyard. They like it there. So I hope everyone's having a good day. I'm glad I got out for a little bit of fresh air.
Bye-bye!
Bye.